Hello again, welcome to another video used car review, and today we're looking at this 2015 BMW 116D 1 Series 2 litre diesel, finished in the blue. Very nice looking car. It's got some slight chipping to the edge of the alloys. Nothing too serious. All nice tidy bodywork. Looks like a very well looked after car. All nice and clean inside. This is the M Sport version. Let's just take a look in the back. Decent boot area. And under there's a vehicle battery, and also I'll just show you there's a locking wheel nut tool which is in that box, and the blow up kit. If you get a puncture, that's all present and correct. Controls there for electric door mirrors, electric windows, automatic lighting, let's just take a look inside. So we've got a push button start. The car comes with 2 remote keys, a book pack, DAB radio, control from this control there, main control there, so that's your menu, and you just scroll the knob, so we can actually select the service history from here as well. There's the BMW service history. Back, and that's telling you everything's all okay with the car. Also, it can connect your phone. And you've got various other things you can adjust from there. So there you go. It's also got a CD player there, digital climate control with the heated front seats, 3 levels, that's always nice. We'll leave that on for a bit. 6-speed manual gearbox, got driving mode selection there, so you can select the sport mode, comes up on there as well. Comfort is the default mode, or Eco Pro. That's all available from this control here. Conventional handbrake, USB and auxiliary input socket in there. Little box there. All nice and clean inside. Steering wheel mounted controls. So cruise control that side as well, I think. Speed limiter. No, just a speed limiter, that one, I think. And you've got your Bluetooth and radio controls there as well. Your stop start feature for city driving. You can disable that from there as well. 54,000 miles, full history with that. Yeah, nicely equipped little BMW. Very stylish looking car. In what is arguably one of the best colours. Really nice looking colour, that one. So there you go. If you're looking for a good little BMW, the low miles, only had 2 owners, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.